Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to run Windows or Linux on your Mac without restarting your computer? In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about VirtualBox on Mac. We will cover how to download it, install it, create a virtual machine, and I will also explain an important limitation for Apple Silicon Macs like the M1, M2, M3 and M4. Let's get started. First, let's know what is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a free virtualization software developed by Oracle. It allows you to create virtual computers inside your Mac. You can install operating systems like Windows, Linux, Fedora, and many other operating systems. It's great for testing software, learning Linux, running older operating systems, development and programming, safe experimentation. Before you download VirtualBox, you need to know which Mac you have. There are two types of Macs: Intel Macs. If your Mac has an Intel processor, VirtualBox works normally and it's officially supported. Apple Silicon Macs. If your Mac uses an Apple Silicon chip like M1, M2, M3 or M4, here's the important part. The latest versions of VirtualBox has limited support. You cannot run standard 86 Windows virtual machines like you can on Intel Macs. For most Apple Silicon users, softwares like UTM or Parallel Desktop provides a much better experience. So make sure you know which processor your Mac has before installing VirtualBox. Now let's install VirtualBox. Open your browser first and search for VirtualBox for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here the official website virtualbox.org. Just simply open this. Now you can see here at the top download option. Click on it. Now you can see here accept and download. Just simply click on accept and download. Now click on allow. As you can see, the download is started. As you can see, the VirtualBox is successfully downloaded. Now let's install VirtualBox. Simply double click on this file. Now you have to double click on that .pkg file. You can see here, double click on this icon. Now your installer will open. As you can see here, just simply click on continue. Then just change your install location if you want. Just to select the other directory, change it from here like this. Then click on install. Now provide your Mac password here. Then click on install software. As you can see, the installation process is started. As you can see on the screen, the installation was successful. Simply close this. Now second, you can see here, run the VirtualBox application from the application folder. Simply click on this folder. Now you can see here VirtualBox. Now click on this. Launch your VirtualBox. The first launch may take a few seconds. Now you will see the VirtualBox manager on my screen. This is where you will create and manage all your virtual machines. Now let's create a virtual machine. Simply click on new here at the top. Now enter the name of your virtual machine. Let's suppose Windows. Okay, you can use for example Windows 10 or 11. Now you can see here the folder. Just select it from here where you want to install your VM. Then just download ISO file from here. You can see. Then your OS and everything. Then simply click on next. Then from here just select the basic memory, number of CPUs, disk size. Then click on next. Then click on finish. You will see here your summary of virtual machine that you have created. That's how you can download and install and use VirtualBox on Mac. If you are using an Intel Mac, VirtualBox remains one of the best free virtualization tools available. If you are using an Apple Silicon Mac, consider alternatives like UTM or Parallels for better compatibility with Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.